Optimus Prime from Transformers? How do you draw Optimus Prime from Transformers? How do you draw Optimus Prime from Transformers?
Step 1. Begin by sketching Prime's head. Draw an irregular shape with a pointed chin and 2 points at the top. Draw a horizontal and a vertical line across the head to enclose the different sections. Step 2. Use a series of curved lines to enclose the irregular shape of the chest plate. Step 3. Draw 2 irregular shapes within the chest plate, loosely parallel to its outline. Step 4. Draw Prime's torso. Use straight and curved lines to outline the shape. Then, draw a V-shaped line across it. Draw 2 lines above and 2 lines below the V. Then, draw a parallelogram to one side of the shape. Step 5. Draw Optimus' arm. Use curved lines to outline a series of 5 irregular shapes. Draw lines across the first and second shapes, and a rectangle in the first. Enclose another irregular shape above the first 2. Band the rest with lines, and use a straight and V-shaped line to detail the F. Step 6. Draw the remaining arm. Use straight and curved lines to enclose 5 irregular shapes. Draw a triangle atop the one nearest the shoulder. Use curved lines to differentiate the fingers of the fist. Step 7. Draw the upper leg, erasing guidelines as necessary. Use curved and straight lines to enclose the thigh. Draw an oval overlapping the thigh and torso. Draw a curved line across it. Step 8. Draw the lower leg, erasing guidelines as necessary. Use curved and straight lines to outline the basic shape of the leg. Draw a rectangle overlapping the upper and lower legs, forming the knee. Draw a line down one side of it to give it a 3-dimensional appearance. Then, enclose ovals and Step 9. Use curved lines to enclose the irregular shapes of the remaining leg and foot. Step 10. Color your Optimus Prime from Transformers drawing. He is typically red and blue in color.